Hi students, how are you today? Today we are going to learn triangle trick to find out trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles means we have to know the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90. It is sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. Similarly, cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, cos 90, 0. Similarly, tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, tan 90, not defined. So in trigonometry, it is very important to remember these values. So most of the students are finding difficulty on remembering this value. So today we can use a trick. I'm calling it as triangle trick to find out the values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, let us start with 45 first. 45 degree. So 45 degree, first we will draw a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Two sides are equal. So our right triangle with two sides equal we have to draw. And assign that the equal sides are equal to 1. This side is equal to 1. This is also equal to 1. So it's a right triangle. In this right triangle, right isosceles triangle, these two equal sides we are taking as equal to 1. So what will be the value of hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So hypotenuse square will be equal to 1 square plus 1 square. It means 1 plus 1, 2. It means the hypotenuse will become root 2 using Pythagoras theorem. Now this angle is 90 degree. So what will be other two angles? I mean this angle and this angle. So this is 90. So these two orange angles should be 90. And isosceles triangle property says that their base angles are equal. Angle opposite to equal, sides are equal. So these two orange angles should be equal and they add up to 90. So each angle should be 45 degree. So let me take this angle as 45 degree. Okay. So we can give some name A, B, and C. So angle A is 45, angle C also 45. So let us concentrate only on angle A. So with respect to angle A, this side is opposite side. This is opposite side. And the side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. So we got hypotenuse, we got opposite side. The other side will be adjacent side. With respect to the angle what we are considering, this angle we are considering angle A45. Now, tell me, what will be sine 45 degree? Sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. So here opposite of 45 is 1. 1 divided by hypotenuse is root 2. So we got the value of sine 45. Now cos 45. Cos 45. What is cos? Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here, this 45 degree, with respect to 45 degree, which is adjacent side, AB is the adjacent side. So its length is 1. Hypotenuse is root 2. So you got sine 45 and cos 45. Now tan 45. Tan 45. Tan 45 degree, tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. If you don't remember, just remember our Socato, famous Socato. So, to remember the trigonometric ratios. The sine means SO. So sine is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. TOA, T-O-A. Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. So if you remember so ka to, if you have any confusion, we can solve it by remembering so ka to. Sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan is opposite side by adjacent. And the reciprocal of sine is cosec. So it will be hypotenuse by opposite. Reciprocal of cos is sec. So it will be hypotenuse by adjacent side. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So it will be adjacent side by opposite side. Okay. So we got sine, cos, and tan. So what is the reciprocal of sine? Reciprocal of sine is cosec. So cosec 45 degree is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So it directly we can take from here, no need to go from here. So it is root 2 by 1, that is root 2, right? From triangle also we can take. Now what is reciprocal of cos? Reciprocal of cos is sec. So sec 45 degree equal to reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. Similarly, reciprocal of tan 45 is cot 45 degree. That is the reciprocal of tan. We didn't write the tan. Tan is what? Opposite side by adjacent. What is opposite here? 1. Adjacent side is 1. So 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So reciprocal of 1 is also 1. So we got cot 45 equal to 1. So all trigonometric ratios of 45 degree we have completed. We have completed, right? Sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2, cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2, tan 45 equal to 1, cosec 45 equal to root 2, sec 45 equal to root 2, cot 45 equal to 1. Now we have to find 30 degree and 60 degree. For that, instead of this right triangle, we are going to draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. For 45 degree, always take isosceles triangle, and 30 and 60. From same triangle, we can find 30 and 60. For that, we are going to use an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, we know it is all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So we will draw an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. And we will take this equal side is equal to 2, not 1, equal to 2. Previous case, isosceles triangle, we have taken equal sides are as 1. Here we are taking equal sides as 2. All the sides are 2. And the property of equilateral triangle, we know all the angles are equal. What is the angle? All the angles are equal. What is it? Okay, correct. That is 60 degree. All the angles are 60 degrees. So we will have 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Fine. But we doesn't have a right triangle here. So we are going to draw a median from one of the vertex. So I'm going to draw here. Okay. So I got a right triangle here. Right triangle. Let me give name A, B, and this is C. Fine. So AC is a median. AC is a median. So what will be the value of BC? It will be 1. Correct. And what will be the length of AC? We can use Pythagoras theorem. AC will be what? AC will be root of hypotenuse square, that is AB. AB square is 2 square minus base square, that is 1 square. So that is equal to root of 2 square is 4 minus 1. So we'll get root 3. Root 3. So AC we can put root 3. This length is root 3. So with respect to this triangle ABC, we have to find all the angles. Now this angle B is 60, but what will be this angle? This angle, this median divides 60 degree into 2 equal parts. That is, it bisects. So this angle is 30 degree. So the same ABC triangle, one angle is 30, other angle is 60. and this is 90 degree, right? First of all, let us find out the 30 degree. 30 degree. So with respect to 30 degree, this side is opposite, correct? This side is opposite. The side opposite to 90 degree, what is the name? It is hypotenuse. So then the triangle ABC, BC is opposite and AB is hypotenuse. So what will be AC? AC will be adjacent side. Adjacent side. We are talking with respect to 30 degree. This red angle 30 degree. So with respect to 30 degree, this is opposite. AB is hypotenuse and AC is adjacent. Now let us find all the trigonometric, 6 trigonometric ratios. That is sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is what? 1. Hypotenuse is 2. So we got 1 by 2. Now cos 60 degree. Cos is what? Ka. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So with respect to 30, what is adjacent? Root 3. So root 3 by 2. Cos 60. Tan 60 will be tan 60, sorry, 30, right? Tan 30, with respect to 30 we are talking. Really sorry. Tan 30. So tan 30, what is tan? Tan is toe, opposite side by adjacent. So with respect to 30, opposite is 1. So 1 divided by adjacent. Adjacent is root 3. So we got sine, cos, and tan. Sine, cos, and tan, if you get, remaining is very easy. It is reciprocal. So reciprocal of sine is cosec. So cosec 30 degree equal to the reciprocal of 2. 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. That is 2. Reciprocal of cos 30 is sec 30. So sec 30 degree will be equal to reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of tan is cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree equal to reciprocal of 1 by root 3. That is root 3 by 1. That is root 3. Fine. So we got the values of 30 degree. Now, what is next? 60 degree, correct? 60 degree. So with respect to 60 degree, hypotenuse will not change. So when you are considering 60 degree, this is 60 degree. 60 degree. Opposite side will be what? Which will be opposite side? Opposite side will change, right? Now our opposite side and adjacent side will change, correct? So this side will be with respect to 60. This side will be opposite. Root 3 part will become opposite, right? This is the opposite side. And hypotenuse will not change. It is always opposite to 90 degree. So in ABC, AB is hypotenuse and AC is opposite side. So BC will be the adjacent side. Adjacent side. Now, what is sine 60? Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree equal to sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. So with respect to 60, opposite side is root 3. So root 3 by hypotenuse is 2. Then cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equal to cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent of 60 is 1 and hypotenuse is same 2. So that also finished. Then tan 60. Tan 60 degree equal to tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent. What is opposite here? Root 3. Adjacent is 1. So root 3 by 1 is root 3. Root 3. Now, remaining cosec, sec, and cot, we can take the reciprocals. So cosec 60 degree will be the reciprocal of sine, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 60 will be the reciprocal of cos, that is 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. And cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan. That is, root 3 by 1 has to be reciprocated. It will become 1 by root 3. Now we have completed 30 degree and 60 degree. Also, we have completed 45 degree. Now 0 and 90 is remaining, right? So let us do that one. For that, we will use easy trick. Sine 0 degree and sine 90 degree. Fine. Sine 0 is 0. Remember that sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Remember this one. If you remember this one, remaining all we can formulate from this one. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. So cos 0. Cos 0 is, bring this 1 here. And the cos 90 degree, bring this 0 to here. So we have completed sine 0 and cos 0. Now what is next? Tan. Tan 0 degree, and we know tan is what? Tan is sine by cos. Tan is sine by cos. So it means sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. Fine. So sine 0 we have 0 and cos 0 we have 1. 0 by 1 is what? 0 by anything is 0. Similarly, tan 90 is what? Sine 90 by cos 90. Sine 90 is 1 by cos 90 is 0. What is that? Anything by 0 is not defined. Not defined, or we can say sometime infinity, right? Not defined. Okay. Now we got sine, cos, and tan. So very easily we can find the remaining cosec, sec, and cot. So cosec 0 will be what? Reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0. It means 0 is coming at the denominator, right? 0 by anything is 0. Correct? 0 by anything is 0. That value divided by 0, 0 is coming in the denominator, so we can say it is not defined. What about sec 0 degree? Sec is the reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Next is what? Cot, right? Cot 0 degree. Similarly, we have 0. The reciprocal of 0, 0 when coming in the denominator, it will become not defined. Not defined. So using that trick, we have completed 0 degree, sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec, sec, and cot. Same trick we can use here also. Cosec 90 degree, that is equal to reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Sec 90 degree, that is the reciprocal of cos 90. So reciprocal of 0 means 0 as coming in the denominator, right? So it is not defined. Understood, right? Anything by 0 is not defined actually. So cos 90 when you are getting 0 means it is 0 by anything, right? Be it 0 by something is giving you 0. That something divided by 0. 0 is coming as the denominator, not defined. Next is what? Cot 90. Cot 90 is not defined actually. I mean the reciprocal of not defined. What is the reciprocal of not defined? Not defined is a big value, as a infinite value we can consider. So its reciprocal means what? 1 by such a big value we can consider as 0, right? 1 by a very big value, infinite. So it is becoming 0. That concept you can use. If it is not clear for you, then use the formula cos by sine. Cot is what? Cot is cos by sine that we have learned. Means cos 90 divided by sine 90, right? What is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0 divided by sine 90 is 1. So 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0. So that also we got it. So we got sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot of 90 degree. So we have completed 0 degree, then 30 degree, 45 degree, 60, and 90 degree. Correct? All we got it using our simple methods. Fine. Okay, fine. Next session, I will give you a very special trick. Wait for that session. Okay, next session, very easy trick using left hand finger trick. I will teach you a new method to remember the value. It is very easy. Within seconds, you can find all the values.